cheesesteak is my ultimate favorite. Steak seasoning, dried chili flakes, provolone cheese, sliced white and red onions, sliced mushrooms, sliced green bell pepper, olive oil, salt and pepper, sliced bread, and some butter. Spread some butter on the bread. Clean and pat dry the steak, then cut in thin slices. Season the steak with salt and pepper. Sprinkle the steak seasoning. Add some olive oil into a pan over medium heat. Then sauté the red and white onions. And when it starts to loosen, add the bell pepper, then continue to mix. Add the mushrooms, and you can add a little bit more oil as needed. Continue to stir and cook until the veggies are tender but still crisp. Season with salt and pepper. Then cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the veggies are slightly caramelized. Transfer the veggies in a plate and set aside. Using the same pan, add some butter, then cook the seasoned steak for about 3 to 4 minutes. The cooking time may vary depending on how thick or thin you've sliced the steak, so keep an eye on them and do not overcook. You guys, in case you're wondering, I used a store-bought steak seasoning, and by far it's the best I've tried. So if you want to know the brand, just leave me a comment to share it with you. When the steak appears crisp and slightly brown, add the veggies and continue to cook for another minute. Taste to adjust of the portions for later. I like to separate the remaining portions into 2 sections so they're easier to scoop out. Add the provolone cheese on top. Cover the pan for several minutes, and if you can't find provolone cheese, use pizza cheese instead. I've done it many times and it tastes so good every time. You can also try a combination of mozzarella, cheddar, or Parmesan cheese, and this sandwich will taste incredibly yummy. Turn off the heat, scoop the steak filling, and carefully transfer it onto the bread. And there it is! You've got yourself a super delicious homemade Philly cheesesteak. You can add more salt or chili flakes, or add more cheese if you want.
bacon mac for that though.
Yeah, I can do that.
Go over the order one more time just to make sure. So 1 hot dog, half french fry, hot dog with ketchup, Coca-Cola, hot dog chili cheese, bacon mac, but bacon on the side, and then I'm gonna put ketchup and mustard on that. Thank you guys, appreciate it.
Sorry about that.
All right, so here's gonna be a cheesesteak.
That'll be number 24.
And then here's everything else. I got forks, knives, and a ketchup side. And then right here's gonna be your napkin.
All right, thank you, brother. This one right here is the bacon. Excuse me? With the bacon, with the mac and cheese. Or bacon with it? Yeah. Yeah, they do.
No.